So, thank you guys for coming out to the class today. And you have an envelope there with all the things we're gonna go over, and we also have well, all your things are in the tray. I have a tray up here too, so I can remember what we have. So before we get started, we are going to first get our skin together, because in order to do natural makeup, you're gonna make sure you have good skin. And skin is very important with makeup, period. But in order to be, natural makeup, you want to have good skin. That way you won't have to be hiding a lot of stuff, putting on a lot of stuff, doing a lot of stuff. Now, what is makeup? Can anybody tell me what makeup is?
Covers all the bad things.
Well, not necessarily covers everything. Well, you almost there. You start off good. So basically, makeup does have the imperfections and improves your good parts. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like we're gonna hide everything and make you look like somebody else. We want you to still look like yourselves. All right? We want you to still know.
Enhances your beauty.
Right. It's gonna enhance those features that you have that's nice, and it's gonna decrease those features that you have that you might want to not have, but like right now I have on natural makeup. You still can see my moles and my pores on my skin, so you still won't be able to see you. But a lot of my brides like to be naturally pretty. Their husbands don't want them to come out there looking like somebody else. Well, most of them don't. They want them to come out there looking like somebody else. So you want to just make sure you look natural, but it's polished at the same time. Okay. So before we get started, on your table, let's go with what you have on your tray. So you should have some, before you ask me what it is, in this little cup right here. This is your sugar scrub. Your sugar scrub. Everybody have a sugar scrub on our table?
Yep.
So the sugar scrub is for your lips. We're going to exfoliate our lips today. Make sure our lips are nice and smooth for our application, because a lot of times when we get to the last step of the lips, your lips might be a little cakey or a little dry, and it's not going to accept the color well. So we're going to make sure we do that. And you should have some wedges in your tray. Some wedges. You should have your powder sponge, and it also getting the creases. That's why it's pointed. Your cute little powder sponge. Let's see what else you have. I'm probably looking for one in my tray. So you not have this there. So let's go over our brushes. One of these. Yours may be another color. No. Look in the other tray. Okay, we'll get you one. Oh, that's right. I meant to change your tray with the other one. So, yeah, okay, well, let me change the tray right now if I forget. They may have everything else in it. Yeah, I think they have everything else in the same thing. I think we'll just change the whole tray. But no, because you already touched it. Hold on. I gotta get your brushes on. Oh, I put your brushes in there. I know I did something. Okay, so I'm gonna get you something too. So you have these are the brushes for your eyebrows. You may have one of these, right? And you also have a flat angle brush, like the flat one. Yeah. It may be square or it may be rounded. That's fine. All right. And beauty blender. You have your beauty blenders. That's in a little baggie.
Oh, there.
Yeah. And what brushes, if you don't have a certain brush, well, I'll make sure you get a brush once we get started on that. We're going to pick everybody's foundation color and concealer color and all that. I didn't want to do that ahead of time because I didn't know exactly what your shade was, so I didn't want to give you the wrong shade, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to do that. So inside your folder, open your folder. And the first page was, like I said, skincare. And primer is important. I'm just gonna go over the steps. Okay, I'm on the second sheet. Yeah. The second sheet with the list of. Is that the first sheet? You wanna look like this?
Okay. Oh, step 1, step 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
So skincare is, like I said, is very important. We want to make sure we are not only taking care of our skin, but taking care of our bodies, because with our bodies and our skin, it's just it's an exertion of our women. Our skin is an extra
Extension?
Yeah, that's what it's in our body. So whatever you put in, gonna come out on the outside. So we want to try to eliminate smoking if we can. Try to eliminate alcohol out of our system, and don't put a lot of alcohol on our body either. Topic. Well, so I have a little sip every now and then.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, don't you don't want to put it on your face as well. But no, alcohol is a drying agent, and it will dry out your skin. Of course, everybody knows drink what?
Water.
Right, water. H2O. H2O will definitely help your skin out. It will plump your skin and all that. And to brighten your skin, vitamin C. So when we go over our, after we do our microabrasion and our vitamin C lightening, you will see the difference in your skin. So before we start, we're going to do a before picture. Everybody want to do a before picture before we start. So pick out your camera and do your before picture. I want you to actually be